Today I came up with another new video. Today's video is for the beginner artist. The video is for those who want to make small tattoos but they cannot make as they do not know the easy method. Today I will make a Santa Claus and try to take the simplest way. First, I will make a base with soil, which will be flat and round. I will make two legs and attach them to the base. I will make a ball with soil and put it in the place of belly, and will put a lump of soil in the place of chest. I will cover the belly and the legs of the wheel with soil. I will cover the back of the tattoo with soil. I will put a ball of soil in the place of head and will remove the extra soil with a knife. I will smooth the body with water with my fingers. I will make two holes by applying light pressure with my fingers in the place of eyes. I will make a long flat piece of soil and put it in the place of shirt and try to make the Santa's shirt. Then make two hands with soil and cover them with body. Make flat pieces of soil and apply on beard, mustache and hair. I will make a cone-shaped Santa hat with soil. With the help of knife, I will draw wavy spot on the beards and the mustache. I will put two small balls of clay in the place of eyes and make the eyes with the help of knife. Make small fingers with soil and apply it on the palm of the hand. I will clean it with water with a brush. In this way, we can make our own showpiece at home. In the next video, I will show you how to paint the statue.